Okay, so today your girl's going to show you how to make your own parsley tea at home. This is very inexpensive. You only need two things: water and a bundle of parsley, which runs you less than about 80 cents a bundle. And you can make a big jug, as I am going to do today. I decided to put clips in of all the benefits of parsley. Guys, when I tell you, if you do your research, there is a wealth of knowledge online, but I decided to share a little bit with you before we even get started so you can understand how beneficial this tea is and why you need to make it. Enjoy. Please share with friends and family. All right, first thing first is you want to make sure that you rinse your parsley off, which is what I did, and I'm kind of letting it sit on this plate and drain. So this is fresh parsley, and this is the curled parsley. And it kind of looked like this for me rinsing it, but it didn't look like this before I rinsed it. So yeah, this is fresh parsley, and we're going to use this and we're going to chop it up. All of it, guys, all of it. You want to chop all of this up. I will try to remember to leave in the description box the benefits of this. Oh my gosh, it has a lot of benefits, especially if you are you have high blood pressure, diabetic, or anything like that. So basically, I want to chop this up. I'm actually going to get some more because I just realized that you need 5 tablespoons for every 4 cups of parsley. So, I mean, for every 4 cups of water. And I don't know how big this is, but I know for sure this is way more than 4 cups. So let me get some more parsley, guys. So I just literally filled this up and continue to pour it in there and get how many cups. This is 11 cups. So there's 11 cups in here. So if that's the case, 8 cups would give me 10 tablespoons, and then we have 9, 10, 11, so 3 more. So definitely we need about 15 tablespoons of parsley. So I got some more in the refrigerator. Let's get it chopped up. Alright guys, so you want to chop off everything, the stems. We're using all of this. So these will be counted as your tablespoons of parsley as well. You just want to get them chopped nice and fine, not too fine, but just chopped up pretty well. As you can see, the water is boiling, so I'm adding my parsley. So basically all of this is going to go into this pot, and I'm just showing you that I use heaping spoonfuls. It's really hard to measure parsley in a tablespoon. So yeah, basically all of it goes in. I set my timer for 1 minute, and then after the timer has ended, that is when I take it off of the fire, and then I allow it to sit and steep, and I put a top on it, and that is it. So you let it sit and you let it steep, and I let mine sit for a few hours. It's up to you. Unless you want to drink it warm, you want to drink it now, you can, but I just let it steep, and then we go to the next step. And here you're gonna have me sifting it, and I'm showing you that there are 2 different types of parsley. The one that I had first was the curly parsley, and the one that my husband bought just recently was the regular Italian parsley. I prefer the curly parsley, but he didn't realize that they were 2 different. And if they're not next to each other, you will not really pay attention. So yeah, it's up to you which one you decide to use. Now I'm using a sifter, and I'm going to put that over the pitcher, and I'm just going to pour the actual liquid with the parsley in it into the actual pitcher. And that is going to be it, guys. It is very simple. It is up to you how long you want this to sit in there. The longer it sits, the more it pulls more nutrients out of it. You can also take a little bit of this and blend it in a food processor or a blender, and then throw a little bit of that in there and drink that. It'll be like a pulp of parsley, but yeah, it's up to you. You can also add honey at this time at the bottom of your pitcher, and a little bit of lemon to sweeten it if you want to drink it as a sweetened tea. It's kind of up to you. It's like the sky's the limit, but do your research. I did leave a lot of information in the beginning about this parsley tea, and yeah, this is definitely something you definitely want to share with friends and family who can benefit from this. And this is just something that anyone can benefit from, as far as the cold winter days and your immune system and all that good stuff. Yeah, this is something good to just have on hand. So just continue watching, and that's basically how you make parsley tea. And guys, it is done at this point. You can leave it on the counter, or you can put it in the refrigerator. It is all up to you. Make sure that you subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Share this video, and remember, stick to your script, because you're the best at it. Later, Gators.